How to hide likes and comments on TikTok. Here is a simple and easy method to hide your likes and comments on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store, search for TikTok, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Next, open the TikTok app and tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy, then scroll down to the Comments section. Tap Comments, then choose who can comment on your videos. You can select everyone, followers that you follow back. If you want to remove a specific comment, open your video, press and hold the comment, then tap Delete. You can also block the user if necessary. If you want more privacy, go back to Privacy and turn on Private Account. This limits who can follow you and interact with your videos. That's it. While TikTok doesn't let you completely hide your likes and comments, these settings give you more control over who can interact with your content. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.